You like fans, huh?
Yep, I do.
I just read recently there's like a fan club, like a fan website where people follow fans.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Are you talking about the Antique Fan Collectors Association?
I don't know. I saw it on Facebook that there was like a whole
yep.
Facebook page for fans.
Yep, I know what you're talking about. I'm a member of one of those.
Are you?
Yep.
So there's more than one?
There's like 2, Ceiling Fans and Ceiling Fan Kids.
Wow.
So, yeah.
He's got like thousands of YouTube followers.
Does he really?
I have 600, that's not a
Do
thousand.
you like to take them apart and put them back together?
No, I mean,
Yeah,
I like to
sometimes.
assemble them.
What about this one? Donna, what do you think about this one?
It's a good one, but it has 5 blades, so it won't blow as much air.
Yeah, but it looks cool.
So they're all pretty efficient now, and they all do the same job. 3 blades, 5 blades.